Morning, Chris. Todd Harris here, 42. I'm here with Jeffrey on site doing installation. We've got the Gravitram up and running. Look forward to chatting with you at some point and getting things tweaked here.
So what's your day job? I mean, you don't restore little machines for a living. Or
I kind of wish. No, I'm a software engineer.
Oh.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome. It's me, the fourth to be with you. My name is Micah Fierstein, and I am the acting director of the Westchester Children's Museum. Although this famous race from Star Wars has been linked to this date, it is also a date that we celebrate imagination and science, and is part of the reason why we chose to open this gallery on this date, the Physics Lab at the Fierstein Family Gallery. I would like to take a minute to thank both Board of Legislator Catherine Parker and also Assemblywoman Amy Collins for joining us today on this very special day. Today, we are so proud and excited to further build on that growth by opening the Physics Lab at the Fierstein Family Gallery, the centerpiece of which is this incredible sculpture next to me, Micah's Gravitram. The museum is honored that the Fiersteins chose us to be the home of Micah's Gravitram, and for seeing that his spirit of curiosity, imagination, and inquisitiveness would inspire the next generation of thinkers. Given that Rye Playland, both the beach and the ice rink, were special places to Micah growing up in Scarsdale, the family donated the restored sculpture to the Westchester Children's Museum, seeing us as the vibrant learning play space that Micah had envisioned for the future home of the Gravitram. The Gravitram itself is a true work of art, a kinetic sculpture that is an endless interlocking maze of ramps, poses, twists, turns, and speeding balls. Not only is it totally mesmerizing, it also spurs the conversations around physics concepts of speed, motion, gravity, and force. I want to take a moment to thank Chris Elliott, Todd Harris, and Ariel Levy for their incredible dedication and tireless effort in bringing the Gravitram back to its glory here at the Westchester Children's Museum. Again, we are incredibly grateful for the generosity of the Fierstein family and for trusting us with this special reminder of Micah's spirit of asking why not.
The Westchester Children's Museum unveiled a new gallery exhibit this afternoon, making physics fun. The physics lab explores force, speed, gravity, motion, and momentum through a variety of interactive exhibits. The centerpiece exhibit is entitled Micah's Gravitram, a kinetic sculpture that shows the constant flow of motion with metal balls through corkscrews, ramps, and more. Officials say the museum says this exhibit is perfect. It's a perfect fit for the interactive museum.
This new exhibit, the Physics Lab, builds upon that by giving children the opportunity to learn the concepts of physics through play, which is what we're all about.
Westchester Children's Museum is open every day, 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m.